Since the aim of stretching is to try and increase the distance between the origin and insertion of a muscle and to stretch the fascia, it is important that good posture and alignment is maintained during each stretch. Stretching involves a level of body awareness and mindfulness from your client in order to make the stretch effective. Here are some key points to remember. Try and be as warm as possible when stretching. Warmer muscles stretch better. And this is because there is more heat and blood flow to the area, which makes the muscle and fascia more compliant or pliable. Choose positions or stretches that account for the client's ability. For example, some clients might require stretches that are done in a seated position rather than a standing position due to a lack of balance or inflexibility. You want to make the focus on the stretch itself rather than have the client tense or fighting to hold a hard position. Always move slowly into a stretch. Avoid being too quick or jerky with the movement. And this is to trick the body's stretch reflex response. Muscles have built-in protective mechanisms that stop muscles from being torn or damaged. The muscle spindles, which if you recall, are the sensory receptors in the muscle belly, monitor the length and rate of lengthening of a muscle. When a muscle is stretched too quickly, the muscle spindles recognize this and send a message to the brain, which initiates a reflexive contraction of the muscle. Clearly, this is counterproductive to actual stretching. Hence, this is why you always perform a stretch slowly and in a controlled manner. Hold the stretch for about 10 to 30 seconds and avoid bouncing the stretch. Only stretch to a point of discomfort, not pain. Use long, deep, controlled breaths to further enhance the relaxation effect. Perform each stretch at least twice. And lastly, try and stretch at the end of each workout.